and welcome to Six Flags Dubai here at Dubai Parks Resorts. It's probably going to be the last update I'm going to be doing here for some time, unfortunately, due to school A-levels and then being in the UK for university and stuff. So, I mean, I'll probably be back here in the future, but not for a good while. But yeah, here is Six Flags Dubai as of today, February 16th, 17th. But yeah, quite a bit has happened here, both on the park's construction and actually behind the scenes. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you around a bit. First of all, apologies because in the previous videos I actually got the park's location wrong. I originally thought the park's location would be there because that's where the road leads to, but actually the park's location, the park's entrance is going to be right here, and then the big roller coaster is going to, it's still going to be there, the station's going to be around there, and then where it loops around the entrance is going to be around here. So yeah, sorry about that, and then that's where the Mac Pulsar plane is going to be. So yeah, I'll probably go down here first and just see what I can do. So I'm here at what I'm going to be calling the old entrance, because the entrance was never going to be here, and I just did it by mistake because the road just leads here, and I thought that. So if I stand up on this mound, I'll put my camera around the top and we can see what we can see. So yeah, around here is where the Mac coaster, it's going to be a Mac Hyper coaster. I know this because, well, it was a so-called rumour, but I knew someone that he's recently left, but he was part of the entire Dubai Parks Resorts project. He told me a few months ago that it was going to be a Mac Hyper. Not a B&M Hyper, which quite a few people thought it would be, but yeah, it's a Mac Hyper. Probably going to be called Goliath. That's under there, and it is going to start around about just here, and the ending of the ride is going to be there, and the station, Lift Hill, and whatnot. So yeah, and then there's also going to be two S&S shop drop towers, I think. Through there, according to the plans. So yeah, I'll just head back up to Lapita, to the actual entrance of the park, and do some reporting from there. Alright, so I'm now here by Lapita, where the actual entrance of the park is going to be, as you can see, because they've cut out a sort of ring around the main building. It kind of looks like a circus, bus, whatever. And yeah, over there is where we believe the Pulsar plane is going to be. I'm fairly certain it is, because I'm guessing that's going to be the station. It's going to roll upwards and land in that trough back across there. But yeah, now interestingly, because the Mac coaster that will be surrounding the entrance of this place, I don't know if these are supports for it, or these are just pipes for water for the upper building, or same thing with that one over there. It's got something written on it over there, but I can't see exactly what. But also down here, and I've seen when I was walking around, if I can get a better viewpoint, I'll show you where that guy is right there. He is sitting in what looks like, what's the word? The bases for the supports. The concrete footers, yeah, the footers for the supports. And they're dotted around. There's a few in that pile there. There's one just there, it's got a lid on top of it. And then that guy there is sitting on one. Same with a few over there. So if that is for the entrance coaster, for loop round, or according to the plans, if we could sort of go up, round, down where that digger is, and you'll sort of circle round and up against itself, and then back down there. Yeah. And then there'll also be a Ferris Wheel somewhere around there. there'll be a SMS free spin over there. And then there'll also be a spinner. This spinner is actually going to be a marathon spinner. Quite a few people thought it was going to be a Gerstau spin, but according to the person I know who used to work on this thing, it's going to be a marathon. Also a bit of sad news, because around about over there was where it's going to be an RMC clone of Goliath at Flags Great America, I think it was. Unfortunately, that is not actually happening because they've had to cut the budget back on this park, and the size of the park is quite small. It's smaller to what it was. I don't think that building over there has actually anything to do with the park. According to the person. Also, over there, where that other digger is just there, according to the plans is where RMC clone of Goliath from Six Flags New England was going to go. And there were rumours that it wouldn't be there, and according to the person that used to work here, that is true. There is unfortunately not going to be an RMC here. Instead, it is going to be apparently a GCI Woody. So Great Coasters International, the same people who are currently building Wicker Man at Alton Towers, which is a shame, but hopefully they come up with a really kick-ass layout and it'll be really, really good. So, I mean, we might get an RMC here in the future. I can see, I don't know, a T-Rex or Raptor, but just a shame about not being there for opening day. So yeah, that's pretty much it from the park. I mean, I'll go around to the bridge just there, and I'll show you some footage of the footers. But yeah, here from. So yeah, all right, see you in a bit. All right, so final shot here from Six Flags Dubai. Just the support, the footers for the supports. There's one just there, and around there. So maybe that's for the entrance coaster. I don't know, but yeah, from Six Flags Dubai for probably a good while, unfortunately. Hopefully next time I'll be back, because we'll have progressed massively, and it'll look like a really, really cool park for Dubai Parks and Resorts. I'm really excited to see the future of this park, and hopefully it all goes good. I know they're having problems, but oh well, nothing can go perfect, can it? So yeah, from Six Flags Dubai, see you around. Bye.